These spicy smashed potatoes are ultimate crispy, cheesy, golden bites of comfort you didn't know you needed. Imagine a perfect balance of soft pillowy potatoes on the inside paired with the irresistible crunch of a golden Parmesan coated exterior. The garlic, smoky paprika, and savory spices come together in every bite, making these potatoes a dish you'll crave over and over. Trust me, you'll want to make a double batch, they are that good. These spicy smashed potatoes are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and absolutely bursting with bold savory flavor. Let's get started by boiling some baby yellow potatoes. Add water to a large pot. Stir in some salt and drop in the baby potatoes. Let the water come to a boil and cook the potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are fork tender. That perfect softness where a fork glides through easily but they are not falling apart. Once they are done, drain the water and set the potatoes aside to cool slightly. Letting them cool is key. It helps them hold their shape better when we smash them. While the potatoes cool, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and helps the potatoes crisp up beautifully. Now let's make the beautiful flavor base. Right on the baking sheet, drizzle 4 tablespoons of olive oil or melted butter. Use whichever you like for that rich savory touch. Add 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika for warmth, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of salt to taste, and about half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan. Mix it all together on the tray. This garlicky paprika spice mixture is going to coat the potatoes in the most delicious way. Add the boiled potatoes to the tray and gently toss them in the spiced oil mixture. Make sure each one is well coated. Now take a glass and gently press down on each potato to smash it. Go slow and be delicate. We want to flatten them, not break them apart. If a potato sticks to the glass, just use a knife to carefully lift it off. Once all the potatoes are smashed, spoon some of the remaining garlic Parmesan mixture from the tray over the tops. Then sprinkle Parmesan over each potato. This is what's going to create that gorgeous golden crust. Slide the tray into the oven and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until they are perfectly crispy and golden brown around the edges. Oven time can vary, so start checking after 25 minutes. When they are out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes. This step is super important. It allows the potatoes to firm up and get that extra crispy texture. Transfer them to a serving plate. Finish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley or cilantro for a pop of freshness. Serve them hot with a dipping sauce of your choice. I personally love a creamy garlic yogurt dip, but sour cream or even classic ketchup works just as well. These spicy smashed potatoes are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and absolutely bursting with bold savory flavor. They are perfect as a side dish or just as a snack you'll keep reaching for. Once you try them, they'll definitely become a staple in your kitchen. So go ahead, give this recipe a try and let me know how yours turn out in the comments. Happy cooking! See you next time!